is the purpose for dreaming at night? Can someone please tell me? I'm wondering why. See a mansion in the hills with the perfect woman. I know it's real. Daydreaming, I'm a daydreamer.
Levi having his pre-match breakfast. What are we having? What's our energy food, Levi?
Cartwheel.
Oh. And he said he's going to score a few goals today, didn't you, mate?
I've played soccer ever since I could remember. I used to kick a ball in the kitchen with Mum when I was little. She tells me I learned to kick a ball before I learned to walk, but I don't know what to believe. My parents always say it's a long, hard road, but that means it leads somewhere, right? It's all about risk and reward. If you're not willing to risk anything, then what are you going to do to gain? What will you win? But if you're willing to risk it all, the rewards are greater than you can imagine. When I was a boy, I always dreamt of becoming a champion. I dreamt a full life of football. But I started getting distracted amongst that beach's lifestyle. But I pulled myself out, and I realised what I truly wanted. So I worked for it. It takes determination and a will to win, even through the toughest of moments. You must keep believing, believe you can be better and get better. Train harder, work, and work. You want to get to that stage? Get there. I mean, you're only holding yourself back. 4 hours a day, 3 days a week, for 3 years. I'd be knackered by the time I got home. But it's all about that grind. I'd get home late and Mum would have to reheat my dinner. She didn't mind. She kept pushing me. She wanted me to achieve my dream as much as I did. I travelled all over New South Wales, playing against teams like Blacktown, Apia, Wanderers and Sydney FC. I got called in to train with Sydney FC, but they told me I wasn't good enough. It just made me want it more. So I kept going. Don't give up on your dreams, especially just because of distractions or setbacks. They should fuel your desire, not be an excuse to throw in the towel. No matter what, hard work and dedication achieve dreams. So what is your dream?